Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 3. Moving right along here. Thank you guys for hanging out with me for this COOKMAS this year, where I am giving you guys daily videos for COOKMAS throughout the month of December. So for today's recipe, we're gonna go ahead and make a super duper easy recipe, guys. This is going to be another Crockpot recipe. If you don't have one of those, I highly suggest you get them. You don't use them every day, but when you need them, they do come in handy. So for today's recipe, we're gonna go ahead and make some delicious chicken tinga taco boats. So as you can see, there are very few ingredients to this recipe. The main ingredients, of course, is the Tinga Sauce. This is a store-bought sauce. We've got some chicken breasts, some tortilla bowls, some onions, and then for our toppings, we're just gonna do lettuce and sour cream. So hopefully you guys are ready for this COOKMAS recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started.
Ya no sabes lo que pasa.
El primer verso, papi.
Lo que manda aquí la clave. Este ritmo guaguanco, esto es lo que existe. Y también está mi chamaco, nadie nos resiste.
¿Quién no resiste?
Aquí estamos bravos, la chema tan brava. Esta vida es brava, y yo también soy bravo. Por eso lo que repica son los cueros. Aquí lo que suena fuego, mueve la abuela el pescadero, hasta lo mueve el aduanero. Norte al sur, lo ve moviendo, la orilla el mar, nos ve sonriendo. Y yo sé lo que tenemos no es para juego y esto es divino. Por eso lo que hacemos quitar tu mano con ritmo letalero. Saben lo que pasa. Mi abuelita ahora tiene masa. Aquí lo que falta el cajón. En esta jungla soy el gran león. Armen las cosas en el malecón. Lo que gozamos es salsa y son. Ya saben lo que repica son los cueros. Tengo la clave, soy el suero. Esta vida es fuego, por eso quiero una vida suave, soy sincero. Que viva mi gente, que viva la raza. De noche a día aquí se trabaja. Igual la gozamos, bailamos en plaza. Y esto es calidad pura en todas sus casas.
Alright guys, so these are the chicken tinga taco boats. If you've never had the tinga in chicken tinga tacos, the tinga paste is usually a smoky and fiery marinade that's made with onions, garlic, and chipotle chilies. And sometimes they even put honey in there. It's a very nice flavor combination, guys. I think you should certainly give it a try. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had tinga or chicken tinga tacos. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.